In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track when people open your emails using Hubspot. We'll walk through how to get to the built-in analytics that show you when recipients open your marketing emails and how to read those numbers so they actually help you make better decisions. First, open your browser and head to Google, then type Hubspot. This is the quickest way to get to the right login page, especially if you don't have it bookmarked. From the search results, click the official Hubspot site. Once you're on the site, log into your account. If your company has more than one Hubspot workspace, make sure you're in the correct one for your marketing emails. You'll need the right permissions to view email analytics. If you don't see what I'm about to show, your admin may need to grant you marketing access. After you're in, move your cursor over the left sidebar. If the menu is collapsed, hovering will expand it. Look for the Marketing section. HubSpot organizes email tools under Marketing, so that's where we'll find the data we need. Next, click Email. This opens the Marketing email area. You'll typically see options to manage emails and to view their performance. We're focusing on the performance side so you can understand who's opening your messages and when. Now, click Analyze. This is where HubSpot pulls together your email engagement metrics. You should see opens, open rate, and related stats across your selected time frame. Opens count how many times your emails were opened, while open rate shows the percentage of delivered emails that were opened at least once. Delivered excludes bounces, so it's a cleaner baseline for engagement. You can usually switch time ranges or filter by campaign to look at trends over specific periods, which is helpful when you're evaluating changes to your subject lines or send times. A quick note on how HubSpot tracks opens. Marketing emails include a tiny tracking pixel image. When that image loads, the system records an open. This means numbers can be affected by image loading settings or privacy features like Apple Mail privacy protection, which may inflate opens. Because of that, treat open data as directional rather than absolute. It's especially powerful for spotting trends over time or comparing one email to another under similar conditions. From this Analyze view, you'll also notice options to dive into individual email performance, where you can see how a single send performed. Use these insights to refine your subject lines, preview text and timing so you steadily lift engagement. That's it. You've navigated to HubSpot's Email Analyze page, and you know how to interpret opens and open rate to track when people are engaging with your emails.